now let's get started with the process of rooting your phone. So what you will need is your Android phone itself and some internet connection. Wi-Fi is highly recommended over your internet data. So turn on the Wi-Fi and get connected to it. Then what you will need to do is go into the settings and then find the security tab. And if you're a person who keeps his phone locked, so it's highly recommended to unlock the device and remove any kind of passwords. Then the next thing you need to do is, if you have any blocking mode available in your device, just turn it on. It will block all your calls, but don't worry, it will keep the data active. Then next thing you need to do is go into your display settings, then go into screen timeout and select 10 to 30 minutes. I have selected the maximum value, which is 30 minutes, but 10 minutes is the minimum requirement. Then now, as you have done, go back. There will be a link in the description. Click on it and it will lead to a XDA thread. Go to that thread and download the app. The app will be the King Root app. Now click on the King Root app. Click install. So if you're installing app out from the Play Store for the first time, it will ask you for permissions. Just check the unknown resources and you're good to go. After the application is installed, click on done. Now go back to your home page. Get to the recent tab button and clear all your recent tab. That's very important. And if you have any task manager, or if you are using any Samsung device with a equipped task manager, clear all the memory and check if there is any active applications and all. Now after you have completed these steps, you are good to go. And first of all, before rooting, I would like to tell you, rooting will void your warranty, so be ready for that. And for the method which we are choosing, don't worry, if you aren't happy with that, you can unroot just in the same time and again get back your warranty, unless and until you make some software changes in that. So now after the installation of the app takes place, make sure you have decent internet connection. As you can see, I have Wi-Fi because that's recommended, right? Then click on King Root, the app. Now let me tell you about King Root. That King Root is the most trusted app worldwide for one-touch routing purposes. Now it will give you an intro of the app. Just read it or dismiss it. When you hit the screen, just hit right. Now as you can see, we are headed to the page, the home page of King Root. Now it says that no root access or root permissions. So if you want to root, you have to click the orange button. And that's very simple. But no, we aren't going to do that. We need to take some steps further. So if you aren't fully aware about rooting, just press this gear button and then press this instructions tab. This tab will answer most of your FAQs. Go back and again go back. So now, as you can see, after reading all the FAQs and solving all your doubts and getting ready to root, click on this root button. Now the timer starts to roll. It's pretty easy. See, you don't need any PC, no USB cables, no Odin, no zip files, nothing. The King Root app does everything for you. It would take time. Just don't mess anything up, because that's also highly recommended. Now after rooting your phone, King Root would save some files on your device. So after unrooting your device through King Root itself, don't delete that if you wish to root it again. Now as you would have seen the message, it said root successfully, and it took just about 1 minute or less than that even. So it says successfully claimed root. Click on OK. Now as it says, root has been installed. So now let's check if we got the proper root permission, and to do so, head to the Play Store and download the app called Root Checker Basic. So it's a free application available on Play Store. You can do it too. It gives or guarantees us about our root permissions. Open the application. Read the disclaimer or just dismiss it by hitting agree. Click OK and click verify root. As you can see, it says congratulations, root access is being properly installed on the device. That's my GT-S7562. Now according to the sources, this method works on almost any Android device if you live on planet Earth. And if this method works for you, please comment down below your Android device name or the model number. It may help others too, like I helped you. So what am I hearing? Aren't happy with root? Let me show you how to unroot with those simple basic steps. What you need to do is get to the King Root app itself. Click on this gear icon, and then you would see the second tab is root authorization setting. Click on it, and remove root permissions is the tab. Click on it, and it would say some disclaimer. And if you want to unroot, click on the continue button to unroot, and yes, you have unroot your phone successfully. And if you haven't made any software changes or major changes like changing a whole ROM or tweaking with exposed installer, then you're good to go. So that was it. I won't unroot because I need that root permissions. So that was it. More details have been linked in the blog post down below. Click on it to view more details on my blog. And this is Durvesh Koravkar signing out. Be sure to subscribe.